Hello everyone. I hope you all are well and enjoyed the learning session of online classes. So to continue it, today I Pankaj Sharma will discuss about the geometrical concept. In the previous class, we have already discussed about the basic concept related to geometry, such as point. So point is a fine dot marked up by a sharpened pencil. Then the next one is a line. So line is a collection of so many dots. It has no endpoints. It can go endlessly, infinitely in both the directions. The next we have taught about the line segment. Line segment, it has two endpoints and a fixed measurement. It is a part of line. Next one is a ray. Ray, it has one endpoints and in the another direction it can go endlessly, infinitely. Next one, we have taught about the angle. What is an angle? Two rays having common endpoint makes an angle. So these are the basic concepts which we have already taught in the previous class. Now come to the next part of the geometry, which is shapes. What are the shapes? A closed figure made up by different line segments is known as shapes. As we have two different types of shapes in the geometry, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So let's start our class with the basic 2D shapes, which is triangle. 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes. It contains two different dimensions. So triangle, a closed figure made up by three line segments, is known as triangle. We can easily understand that how a figure can be made. So these are three different line segments of a triangle, and these are the vertices of a triangle. We will have to join this line segment with these vertices. So we have to require two vertices to join a line segment. When we join more lines, then we can make a figure like this. This is a figure made up by three line segments and it contains three vertex. It is the shape of triangle. So you have seen in the maths lab that how we can draw or make a triangle in which there are three different line segments. Now come to the next point. It contains three different angles. So till now we have studied about the three line segments and three vertices of a triangle. Now come to the next point of a triangle, that is angle. An angle can be formed with the help of two rays and two line segments, but they should have common endpoint. So a triangle have three angles. This one is the different angle 1, second one, and it's the third angle of a triangle. Now you are able to understand a basic figure of the triangle in which three sides and three angles are there. Now come to the next point of the triangle, that is classification of triangle. There are two different types of classification. First one is based on their sides and second one based on their angles. So based on their sides, there are three different types of triangle. First one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle who is having all the sides are of equal measurement. Equilateral triangle is a triangle who is having all the sides are of equal measurement. Second one, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle who is having two sides are of equal measurement. And the third one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle which all the sides are of different measurement. So these are three different triangles based on their sides. Now come to the next point, which is on the basis of their angles. On the basis of their angles, once again we are having three different types of triangles. First one, acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle is a triangle in which all the three angles less than 90 degree. The measurement of all the three angles is less than 90 degree is known as acute angle triangle. Second one, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in which one of the angle is equals to 90 degree. Here is the representation of right angle triangle. And the third one is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. It's the representation of obtuse angle triangle. So these are the three different types of triangles based on their angles. One more important point is over here, that sum of all the angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degree, and it's known as a property. Which property? Yes, it's known as angle sum property of triangle. So it's the basic of your triangle. We will continue with the next figure in the next class. Till then, thank you all.